Right then, so we're going to look at something very interesting called projects within ChatGPT. I do believe currently this is only if you are on the paid version of ChatGPT, and we're going to make this super quick and simple for you to understand. So basically, normally you might use ChatGPT by when you come in, you will basically just type in the main box here what you're after, and it will give you some information back, such as I could say, I want some ideas for email marketing. Can you give me some lead magnet, some emails, I will say, about lead magnets that I could use. Okay? And then what it's going to do is give you some information. Obviously, then what you would do normally is you'd give it extra information to tell it about your business to make this more precise for what you are actually basically offering. So obviously this has just come back with all this information here. But instead, what you could do is set up a project. So in here, all you have to do is press this plus button and give it a name. And then, as you can see, I've got one here for IT Moon. And you can basically add files and instructions to it. And it will actually then, as you can see, come together and give you some exact things and keep all the chats together. So all I've done so far is I've given it this instruction that this is a business called IT Moon. We're a small business. We help clients. We do this with CRMs. We work with software. This is what our clients are. And I've also put a little bit about how we talk. So we like to come across as fun when talking and have a magical theme to the business due to my own love of Harry Potter, etc. So we can see that I've given it some instructions now. So if I go back to that chat that I've just done, here we can see it's very basic. It's actually just put, hi, think you're a pro, take our fun interactive quiz. It's just basically giving me a template email. So now if I actually copy this, just to show you this in action, and I actually put it within the project, it should make these more magical, ideally. This is what we should have. And actually, you can see it's actually made things more precise. So you can see here it's put free guide on 5 tools to automate your business and save 10 hours a week. And you've got let's make business magic happen. So it's actually straight away making it more customized to me. So it's actually written out the email for me instead of previously. It literally knew nothing about my business. And obviously, I could tell it about my business, but you always have to do that for every single chat, which gets very annoying to do. So this is where this comes in handy. So as you can see, it's made it fully customized to what I've already given it. And the more information I give it in the beginning, the better it will be. You can also give it files. So a good way I've actually found of doing this is if I go to my own website, I'm just going to click on Tech Support Hub, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this whole page as a PDF. So this is what it's just doing now. So it's downloading it. And obviously if you had a Word document, that would work as well. So I'm downloading it as a PDF. I'm just going to give this PDF a name. So I'm just going to put Tech Support Hub sales page, like that. And now if I actually add this document into here, this project, anything I put in will be able to relate to the Tech Support Hub. Note now will come up with an error, so we'll just try that again. ChatGPT, oh, it doesn't like me today. It does 100% work because normally this is the exact way I will do it. I will just show you an example that I've done here for a client. As you can see, it is a PDF. So you can just put PDFs in here, but for some strange reason, it is not working today. But you would basically put that in there, like that, as a PDF. We'll try it one more time, see if it wants to work. I don't think it does. It's thinking a bit more about it. No, it doesn't want to work there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a quick Google document. And I'm literally just going to copy some text from here in it. I'm just going to pause this while I do that. Okay, so I have literally just put in the information from a sales page, downloaded it as a document, and now I've just uploaded it here. So the magic of this is now I can say I want to have 3 emails that I can send out this week about the Tech Support Hub. And I'm just going to put C project files in for the details. Can you write me these out, please? I always have to be polite when I'm doing ChatGPT. So now you can see it is literally coming up with the information straight from that document. So straight away, I don't have to do anything. It is literally just coming in straight away with the information that it needs, and it's telling them what they can do. Exactly. So like in this document, I said this is what you get: editable templates, tech courses, and tech support. And as you can see here, it's saying here's what you get: tech support, step-by-step tech courses, time-saving templates. So it's actually telling us straight away by looking on that project file, and I can come back and reference that as much as I need when I'm going through this. So that is projects in a nutshell, and I'd highly recommend using this on, I think it is a paid feature currently, but it's brilliant. And as you can see, it also keeps all your chats in the different ones. You might have different businesses. You might want one for dedicated to social media. You might just want your own just for that. And at the minute, I don't know the limit for how many project files you can upload, but apparently there is a limit to what you can upload, but I don't know what that limit currently is. I know someone who's uploaded about 100 files and they're still able to continue uploading them. So of course, please let me know in the comments if you liked this, if you're going to use this feature. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. And yeah, there you go. That's projects.